Are you struggling to learn how to create good games? Then, this video is for you. GameDev.tv just dropped 90% off their best game dev courses, and I've picked the 4 most essential ones for you in Blender, Unity, Unreal, and Godot. Right now, you can also get a lifetime membership at 95% discount, which will give you access to all their past and future courses for life. It's only for a limited time, but I will give you a tip at the end you don't want to miss out. Starting up with this Blender character creation course, which is my go-to recommendation if you want to create custom game assets from scratch. It takes you from zero to full stylized characters, and you get to learn with the best professionals in the industry. Whether you're making fantasy characters or mechanic ones, this course is here for you. Now that you've got your assets, let's drop them into an attractive environment. Perhaps Unity, with this bundle which contains 4 courses covering terrain generation, shader development, and even modular level design. This course makes your world-building process feel like Lego. But hey, maybe you're not a Unity fan, but you love Unreal Engine? Then, this Unreal Engine Action Game Bundle, which also contains 4 courses, dives straight into combat mechanics. Perfect if you're building shooters, or even a Souls-like. You'll get hands-on with animation blueprints, AI, and powerful VFX workflows. It's intense but super satisfying when your prototype starts feeling like a real game. But if you prefer Godot, then check out this bundle, which will help you create 3D, 2D, and even multiplayer games in Godot. You'll go from core scripting with GDS script to full game mechanics like shooting, enemies, and pickups. All the links will be available in the description, but before you go, here's a bonus for you. This offer ends on the 8th of August, but if you use my link in the description, you will have till the 15th of August to get your membership. Don't hesitate to learn, and I will see you next time.